Can dietary changes help in the hair loss, or are there some food materials or things like that which are helpful in hair loss?
Definitely, diet plays a very important role in good hair. So there are so many vitamins and minerals now which we know if you are deficient in them, it can lead to significant hair loss. So eating proper balanced diet like our Indian diet, हमारा प्रॉपर थाली वाला खाना, दाल सब्जी, कर्ड, rice, chapati, along with fruits and a glass of milk or chas. So whatever we traditionally eat in our home is good for healthy hair and healthy skin. But if somebody has undergone hair loss problem due to stress or any reason whatsoever, then they can always improve in their diet in taking good quantity of green leafy vegetables, then legumes and lentils, then dry fruits like walnuts, pistachios and almonds especially. And then they can consume fresh fruits and little curd or yogurt. So rich protein diet along with good vitamins and minerals. So they should refrain from fast food, from food which is very rich in calorie but very deficient in nutrients and micro and macro elements which are very essential for hair growth.
And packed foods?
So we all know packed foods are they are ready to eat kind of foods, so they have a lot of preservatives which are not good for health. They are bad for your intestinal inner lining and metabolism, and they are not rich in micro elements and vitamins. So you can consume a lot of it, you can gain calories from it, but you will not gain good vitamins and minerals which you require for normal day-to-day living.
Now, a very, very important topic, and many patients come and ask that if they have lost some hairs, can they regrow the hairs? Can they do something at home? What we commonly say as DIY, do it yourself, any such kind of treatments. But before we talk about those DIY kind of things, we would like you to click on the link given above on the playlist of 4 to 5 videos where you can find out your grade of baldness, because we all know that there are 7 grades of male pattern baldness, Norwood grades, and to know where you fall and what kind of treatments you should be looking out for your stage of hair loss, where Dr. Preeti has talked about the stages and its treatment in detail. So if you are in that stage, you want to look out for that, please click on the link above.